Hello dear children, welcome to today's class. Today's thought is, every day is something that will inch you closer to a better tomorrow. Now, let us continue with the first chapter, Geometrical Constructions. So children, get ready with your textbook, notebook and geometry box. I expect everyone have completed their copies till second type of construction of triangle. Now, today we are going to start with the construction of a triangle when two angles and the included side is given. Children, you all have to do construction using sharp pointed pencil. First, we will start with the solved example. Let us go through it. Construct triangle XYZ such that length YX is 6 cm, major angle ZXY is 30 degree and major angle XYZ is 100 degree. See children, as already discussed, we have to draw rough figure for every construction so as to see the sequence of the steps. Also, we will frame the structure of the triangle in our mind to do the actual construction. Now, here first we will draw segment YX of 6 cm as the base. Give the name YX. It is of 6 cm. Here ZXY, that is major angle X is 30 degree. So we will try to draw acute angle for 30 degree and major angle XYZ is 100 degree. So it is an obtuse angle. We will try to show obtuse angle in the rough diagram. Now, here this is your rough figure. This is the vertex Z. This angle is 100 degree and this angle is 30 degree. So children, if you look in this rough diagram, 100 degrees an obtuse angle, so it looks like an obtuse angle here. 30 degrees an acute angle, so it looks like an acute angle. Now we will try to draw the exact figure for the given measurement. So we will again start here with the base. Here the base is given, segment YX is 6 cm. So now take a ruler, start from 0, stretch it up to 6. Draw the segment of 6 cm here like this. Give the same name as given in the rough diagram. Here this is YX. Now, as we have to draw angle of major 100 degree, we have to use protractor. Put the origin of the protractor on the vertex Y. Match the reference line with the segment YX. Now you have to draw angle of 100 degree. As we are matching the reference line on the right, we are taking the scale starting from 0 from the right. Now see this 0, it goes up to 100 here. So now you mark 100 degree like this. Now using ruler, join vertex Y with the point, give the arrow. Now this angle is of 100 degree. Give any name here, R. Now ray YR makes angle of 100 degree with segment YX. Now we have to draw angle of major 30 degree. So for that, again take a protractor, put it on vertex X. Now we are matching the reference line with the segment YX. Now see here, we are matching it on the left. So we will take the scale of the left. So now 0, 10, 20, 30. So you will put the dot of 30 degree here. Now join this dot with the vertex X. Now give any name to this ray. Let us say RS. Ray XS is a ray that makes angle of 30 degree. Now you got the intersecting point. This intersecting point is the vertex Z. Now you got the triangle XYZ. So this is the required triangle. Now see here, this is the angle of 100 degree. This is the angle of 30 degree. Now we will write it here. Triangle XYZ is the required triangle. Now we will move on to next example. Dear children, you have to use your brain power. It is slightly different. Now let us see what different we see in this example. In triangle ABC, major angle A is 60 degree, major angle B is 40 degree and length AC is 6 cm. Can you draw triangle ABC? See children, whatever information is given, we will first draw the rough diagram to see whether using this information can we draw the exact figure. So I have shown here AC is 6 cm, major angle A is 60 degree and major angle B is 40 degree. Now in this diagram, we can draw segment AC, we can show angle of 60 degree at vertex A. But as vertex B is 40 degree, it is difficult for us to show the location when we are using the geometrical instruments. So now what further information is required before it can be drawn? We need measure of angle C. So that by using these two rows, we will get the vertex B. Now, if we know measure of angle C, we can draw the triangle ABC. But how to find the measure of angle C? What property we have to use here? We have to use the property of sum of the angles of a triangle. Out of these three angles of a triangle, we know two of them. So we know the property of sum of angles of a triangle, that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We know here the two measures of two angles, we can find the measure of third angle. So the property of sum of the angles of a triangle can be used to get the given measure angle of C. Now using that property, can we find the measure of two angles and the included side? Yes, we can find the measure of two angles and the included side. Here I had already written the answer. Yes, using that property we can find the measures of two angles and an included side AC. Now let us see how we are going to find the measure of angle C. First we will list the given information. In triangle ABC, measure angle A is 60 degree, measure angle B is 40 degree. Now before solving, we will write the property, which property we are using to find the value of, to find the measure of angle C. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Here measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C is 180. So 60 plus 40 plus measure angle C is 180 degree. Now 60 plus 40 is 100. So 100 plus measure angle C is 180. Now here 100 is in addition. So on the other side it will go in subtraction. Therefore measure angle C is 180 minus this 100. 180 minus 100 is 80 degree. Now you got the measure of angle C. Now using that you will draw the exact figure of the triangle. Now you know length of segment AC. So we will mark it using the ruler. Draw segment AC of 6 cm. Starting from 0, draw the segment of 6 cm. Here the name of this segment is AC. So we will write here AC 6 cm. You know the measure of angle A, it is 60 degree. So using protractor, mark 60 degree here like this. Now join vertex A with this point. You will get the ray. Now this is the angle of 60 degrees. Now measure angle C is 80 degree. So again using protractor, we will draw angle of 80 degrees. So put a dot and mark it here like this. Give the arrow. Now as these are not intersecting, we will increase the ray here like this. Now the vertex this you are getting is B. Here the measure of angle C is 80 degrees. So we will write the measure of angle C as 80 degree. Now this is the required triangle. So we will write here triangle ABC is the required triangle. So now children, in such construction, if the measure of two angles that are with the base are not given, then we will find it using the property of sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Thank you.